guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? So today's video will be my Boxycharm unboxing. I will be trying these items on for you guys. I did open up the box already to basically look inside and see what we had, but I have not opened up any of the products in it. So I'm very excited about this box. I think we will be using pretty much everything except one thing in here. But the first item I will show you guys is this brush set. This is from Luxie, and I do have other brushes from them as well. Actually, I have a few brushes from them. These are, let's see, this is a tapered highlighter brush. This is a Pro Precision tapered brush, and then we also have these right now, which it looks like these are from the same collection. The reason I want to show you guys the brushes first is because there is a foundation brush in here, so I want to test this out. I don't like normally using a brush for foundation. I prefer to use a beauty blender, so we'll see how this goes, but I wanted to try this out. There's also a highlighter brush and a dual fiber powder brush. For foundation, I will go with the CoverGirl True Blend foundation. I'm still trying this out. So far I really do like it, but if you guys want, I will do a full review on it, so just let me know in the comments down below if you want to see it. I'm gonna start by picking up the product with the brush and kind of blending it all through my face. I don't have on any primer or anything like that because, again, I just want this to be like a super quick kind of look. Honestly, that's not bad at all. The application is really not difficult. I don't see any brush marks or anything like that. Usually when I do use a brush, I can see the bristles in the foundation. I feel like I don't see that at all with this brush. It's not looking streaky or anything like that, so I'm gonna do the other side and see how I feel about it, but so far it's looking very good. Okay, I definitely do love the way that this brush feels. The finish is really nice. I honestly don't see a huge difference between this and what the Beauty Blender would have done. The nose is probably the only problem area, but still, like, it's not a huge deal. You just have to kind of like blend it in a little bit and be a little more patient with it. I don't know if the foundation has anything to do with how it looks, but I feel like the brush did a really good job, so I'm really happy with it. So next I'm going to use that dual fiber brush. This is the number 516. The other one is number 660. So I'm going to use that with my Hoola bronzer. I used this a few times and I never really liked it much, so it's been sitting in my drawer forever, but I thought I'd give it a new try. So next, to try out the last brush, this is the tapered highlighter brush 522. This is the illuminating face highlighter in rose gold, and this is from Vintage by Jessica Liberskind. I have no idea how to say that. It's interesting. I received this a long time ago. I think it was also in a Boxycharm, and I never really liked it, so I'm trying to go back through all my makeup and retest things and retry them out. So I actually might do a video on that. Okay, so I do like the way that the brush applied the highlight. I normally do like something a little bit smaller and a little bit more precise. Just for comparison purposes, this is my BH Cosmetics brush. This is the number 4. I do use this for highlight, and then this is the Luxie brush. And you can see they kind of have the same shape, but the BH one is definitely smaller and just a little bit more precise. This one's not bad at all, but I prefer brushes like this over something that's a little bit bigger. The next thing in the box is this, I think this is the Brazilian Bum Cream. I cannot say that. Brazilian Bum Cream. This is from Sol de Janeiro, and I've never used this before, I believe. Oh, that came off. That smells really nice. It's fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. I know that Coffee Break with Danny, she raves about this cream. Anytime that they have the, I think it's the 12 days of Ulta or something like that, she buys like 3 of them, so she has a lot of good things to say about it, so I can't wait to try it out. It does smell really nice, and from what I understand, this is a travel size, which is a little bit disappointing, but I mean, I guess it's nice to start out with something small, because if you don't like it, then why would you want to have an entire big thing of it? So I'm not going to try this out for you guys just because it's a cream, so moving right along. Okay, so the next 3 items in the box are 2 eye products and a lip product, so I'll leave that towards the end. The next thing that I want to show you is the Alamar Cosmetics. Whoops. the Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is the Reina del Caribe palette. I have talked to you guys about this twice on my channel before. I've done a review into eyeshadow looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed right past this. But if you guys haven't tried this out, I really recommend it. I will leave my 2 other videos linked down below so you guys can check those out. I do have one already, so I'm not going to use the brand new one. So that is it for the Alamar Cosmetics. Next item in the box is this eyeliner. This is from Gentil Blue. This confused me a little bit because I was kind of hoping that the eyeliner was that bright blue shade, but it's not. It's actually in the shade Charcoal, so that's kind of disappointing, but that's okay. Okay, now the next item in the box are these falsies. I'm actually really excited to try them on. This is by the brand Baddington, and it has a really cute message down here that says, if all else fails, bat your lashes. Also, these lashes do have that really thick band that normally for me, it makes it a lot harder to apply, so we'll see how this works. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is right in there. It has that really thick band. Also, we definitely need to cut these down. Okay, so first of all, the glue on these is absolutely ridiculous. Like, I almost broke them trying to get them out of the thing. I'm normally very careful when it comes to taking them off the plastic, but this literally, like, the glue is super strong on it. So, like, I don't know. They're also super long, and I think I cut one of them a little too short. With most lashes, I can tell what is supposed to be, like, which one's the right one, which one's the left one, because the inner corners will be smaller, and then it flares out into, like, a longer point. This one's not like that. Like, it's the same length all around, so I don't like that very much. Maybe when I apply them onto the eye, they're gonna look a little bit different. I have honestly seen better lashes. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. The tweezers are literally sticking to the eyelash. Okay. And the last thing in the box is this liquid lipstick from Ofra. This is in the shade Verona, and it says it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick. And that's pretty much it. Those are all the contents of this month's box. The overall value was over $134. So again, keep in mind you only pay $21 for the box. So you're always guaranteed to basically get over $100 in value. And normally most of the items are full size. So it's kind of strange that this month they gave us a sample size of that cream. But then again, if it was a huge one, would it fit in the box? I don't know. But anyways, overall, I do like the items. The palette alone is $28, so right there you are getting your money back. It's also a really, really great product. I absolutely love it. I think my least favorite item is the eyelashes. These eyelashes are $28, and I just don't find that they look like $28, you know what I mean? Like, I have my Kiss lashes that I feel look better than these. I don't know, that's just my personal opinion. I also think that $28 for a single pair of lashes is a little hefty. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram, which I will leave linked down below. And as always, if you stayed until the end, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.